So underneath each one of my Connexes is a temporary foundation, and it's temporary because both Lowe's and Home Depot screwed me on my orders. Never did come in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack that up and brace it, and then I'm going to put those 30-gallon drums where the blocks are. And I know, of course, the soil load is fine. 3,000 square inches per inch, I think, or foot. I'll look it up. Anyway, I did the math. These are fine. More than hold this up. So, but I need to put those in, fill them with concrete, and then underneath I'll have a little post that'll come down, a pier down into the ground to keep them from shifting, and then I'll work on the side. So, to get that, I need to use the soap out of these car wash drums. They're all filled with water. So to get those empty, I need to wash my tile, my French tile that's 100 years old. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out that tile in here, and it's 8 by 20. And so if I fill that up twice, I know I have enough tile to tile that whole house. If I don't fill it up twice, then there is the proof in the pudding for me of how to build that. So let me put you on stop motion while I do lay out the tiles. The rain is coming. I'm going to use that soap to wash these, soap them up, set them up, let them rinse top and bottom so there's not grit on them. Just let's see how many tile I get out of that. Let me go get some gloves and get this all set up. So before I get started, some quick math. One of those pellets has 5 by 5 by 5 deep, 125. That math's pretty easy. That one's 7 by 4 by 1, 2, 3. I don't know. About 125 per pallet is what I have. So what is that? 375 tile, more or less. Some of them have a pink hue and some of them have a brown hue. So I'll sort those out. Also, and anything that's a little odd piece will go underneath some furniture. So without further ado, let me go ahead and start the stop motion. This is nothing but boring, so I'll run stop motion, but I enjoy it. So maybe you'll enjoy watching somebody sort tile. I don't know. Well, the evening has come and I got this project done. You'll see in the stop motion I laid out 180 tiles, and that covered an 8 foot by 21 foot, and that's halfway there. And over here, if you look, I've got 180, probably 190 tile left. So I've got 9-10 spare tile. So now I did the rough math when I bought these, you know, 9-inch, square foot, blah, blah, blah. But there's a difference with seeing them, right? Now, you could see as I laid them out, there's a lot of different condition. I'm going to assume whatever they came out of a French chateau is what I was told, that it was demolished. And these are no good anymore for anybody but a guy like me that loves patina. So what I'll do is I'll get out my power washer and I'll wash these up and get the gravel out from them and the dirt from them. And if some of them are a little more aged than others, I'll stick them under something, under the bathtub or under the whatever, right? And I don't have to make them look white. I just have to make them look clean. So looking forward to that. In addition, I did see the 2 different shades. There's one with a little more pink in it, and there's one with that's more of a brown, earthy tone. So the brown ones are the ones that I want. So the ochre color. So anyway, I feel good about this project. It is getting late. I'm going to call it a night now. The rains might come tomorrow, but I might get out the power washer too and get going on that. Empty a couple of those buckets out, and then I'll have those for the foundation. After I pour the foundation, it has to sit 21 days before I could lower the Conex back on it. And you saw I'm living in that, so I'm lowering partially finished house. I could buckle it, break windows, snap boards, destroy drywall. Just I could drop it. That's the worst case scenario. I could drop it. I could drop it and get hurt, right? That's worst case scenario. So I'm going to be super careful doing that. And when I do raise it up and get the things under, I'm going to pour it right away. So, you know, it takes a full 28 days to cure concrete, but within 48 hours or so, if the shipping container shifted a little bit, went down, I wouldn't worry about it, right? I'm sure that these drums with concrete will hold it up. So, but anyway, felt good to get so much done today, and looking forward to getting these tiles laid out in a pattern. They don't even look bad there, just thrown together, you know, just thrown together. They don't match or anything, and it's dark, you can't really see, but they still look good. They got a little antique patina. All right, this is Steve at 1,000 Year Homes. I'm going to feed Borrow and Me. Wish y'all a happy and wonderful day. Like, subscribe, follow me along. Bye-bye.